up, everybody? Steven Condon with Bossman Brands. Thanks for tuning back in. Today I threw on my captain's hat to explain to you my entire morning regimen like a boss. And the first thing I do is I jump in the shower and use my Bossman's hair, beard, and body soap. This is an all-natural soap that won't strip your natural oils from your beard and keep you feeling super clean and fresh. The second thing you want to do, you want to use your Fortify Intense Conditioner in the shower. Leave it on for a few minutes, let the nutrients do their work, and you're going to feel the most soft beard you ever had getting out of that shower. It's going to be very manageable. Other thing you want to do after you get out of the shower is towel dry and then use your jelly beard oil. Comb that in down to your pores. Make sure you create that thick base with that oil. Use your Bossman's nylon boar hair bristle brush or your powder coated metal comb. All right, after you get that oil into your pores, you want to use your Bossman's Relaxing Beard Balm. This is going to trap the actual moisture into the hair and have a really healthy beard throughout the day and stop that breakage from happening. All right, last, I like to top it off with my Bossman's Mustache Training Wax. You want to train that mustache all day, get it out of your mouth, and have a nice looking mustache. So there you go. Now you know my secrets. That's my morning regimen. Thank you guys for tuning in. Subscribe below. Peace.